Wanted to hit you with a quick best practice today. It's what we call starter kits. Starter kits are customized literature that we've selected to work with new distribution or existing distribution to grow their sales. It's a part of a component package that if the outside salesperson will work with targeted contractors, they can use a product sample kit. They can use our YouTube support videos for quick explanations, and then customized literature highlighted by a design pad that represents the brand for the distributor as well as Centrotherm, and this is used to effectively create vent bombs. My guys that have done this have knocked it out of the park. It's a free service through our marketing department that we provide for you. I hope you take advantage of it. Thank you.